That's my morning routine. Michelle knows. Michelle knows. Michelle, that's how I wake up, right?
Yeah, honey.
Thank you. Oh, lefty. I'm a lefty. Wop. He actually did that.
You really did your research.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a lefty. Wait.
He beat Clark Kellogg at POTUS, a type of horse. And he said wop when he hit threes. It was awesome. Wop. United States president that says wop when he plays basketball. Now that's something you don't see every
Can
day.
I make that
Yes, sir.
your quote? Wop.
Wop. Yeah, wop. I used to say wop in all honesty. I mean, I always said wop. I'm the president. What am I saying? Okay, today's lesson has to do with angles and angle measure. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Yay, Matt.
Math.
Math. Yay.
Math.
Okay. .org. Okay.
Why not .com?
Stop.
It's better. No. And it's unavailable. Okay, so please draw your horizontal and vertical axis. I think you'll like this. It's kind of cool. This is the x-axis. It's the y-axis. All right. Now, I know that this is a new digital land, and the concept of the clock with the hour and minute hand is not super familiar, unless it is. We comfortable with the clocks with the hand? Are you? Yeah. I got nods. You know, you guys are old school. That's the way I like it. You know,
90s.
you know multiple things, multiple generations. It's good. Let's keep our history. Right, Abe? Yes, sir. Okay, so imagine a single hand of a clock. Okay, what hour is this?
Three.
Three. Right on, 3. When the hand of the clock is at 3 o'clock or on the x-axis, we have gone 0 degrees. Does that make sense? So let's put that down. This is 0 degrees. Okay, start the rotation. Start the rotation like Supreme Court justices. Start the rotation. All right, ready? Going up. How much rotation? 90. 90 degrees, right? Put that down. Okay, here we go.
Mr. President, why couldn't you go down?
We will. That will be negative 90. Does that make sense? Here we go. So here we go. 0. Call it out.
90.
90.
180.
Is that right?
That's right.
Oh, yes.
Dragon.
My lack of response is a respect thing. Here we go. 0.
90. 180.
You reach
Negative 90.
Yes. It is negative 90. But let's go in order. If we're going, continue to go positive.
3-6.
No.
I lied.
That was 70.
Nice. 270. Yeah.
That took way too long.
No. Persistence is what do I admire most. Persistence. What makes dreams come true. Okay, so call it out. Here we go. 0.
90. 180. 270.
0.
0 and 360. Let's put 360 down here. 360.
So it's both?
Yes. The position of 0 degrees is the same position as 360. Does that make sense? The position of 1 degree is the same as the position of 361 degrees. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Those angles are called coterminal. Let's write that down. Coterminal. So we have angles, or let's say different angles. Different angles that are at the same position. Different angles that are at the same position. So what is an angle that's coterminal with 0?
360.
360. Does that make sense? Very good. What is an angle? You said it before now. You could say negative angle. If this is 0, do you agree this is also, if I went in this direction, negative 90?
Yeah.
So negative 90 degrees is coterminal with what positive angle?
270.
270. Yes. Negative 90 is the same position as positive 270. Make sense? There is a trick with coterminal. Coterminal angles are how many degrees away from each other always.
What's 360?
Would it make sense 360 degrees? Because it's like if I'm here,
Oh.
this is the same view as if I did a spin. Back here,
Yeah.
2 spins. I'm getting dizzy. It's like working through Congress. I just can't figure it out. Woo! So, yeah. So that's coterminal 360 degrees. You could do positive and negative, all right? So let's give you a challenge. Find one angle positive and one angle negative,
Done.
coterminal with, let's say, 40 degrees. Okay? 40 degrees. So do you agree 40 degrees
It's like
is it halfway to the 90?
not
It's
quite.
a little less.
A little less. Little less. So here we are at 40. You can even draw. Let's actually draw 40. I'll show you how to draw. This is 40 degrees. And I would go like this. See that? 40 degrees. You'll notice the rotation from 0 degrees. Okay. This is like the initial side. This is called the initial side. Why don't we get your vocab in, just so that you know what everything's talking about. Initial side. And where the angle ends up is the terminal, where it ends. Terminal side. Vocab, not my favorite thing, but good to go over regardless.
Hence why you're not an English teacher.
I will be, or go back to teaching law. Okay, so there's 40 degrees. Let's start with a positive angle. What is a positive angle
40.
coterminal to 40?
Oh.
320, negative 320?
No, that's
That's negative. Good job. Good job. Let's do the positive one. Let's do the positive one. So can we go 360 degrees from 40? How far would that be?
400.
520.
How'd you get that? Because there's multiple right answers for this, by the way.
Wait.
Do you agree that if, like, let's say here I am at
Wait a
0,
minute, not 520, 720.
you could go 720 from 40. That would be fine. Does that make sense?
It does.
So that would be, how many degrees would that be?
720 minus 40.
Plus 40.
720, 780, 760.
760. Or you can go 40 minus 720. Coterminal, once you get it, it's kind of really straightforward. You start wherever you are, and you add 360, subtract 360, add 360 again and again and again and again. That's coterminal.
Oh, okay, so it matters how many times you go around?
It doesn't matter. Yeah, as long as you end up back where you started, that is coterminal. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So what would, you already said it actually. What would 360 away be from 40?
400.
400. Because you add 360 to 40. So let's teach you how to draw 400. We'll draw this in blue. This will be 400. Check it out. Starting at 0, all the way around, there's 400 degrees.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
See it? So put that 400 degrees. Questions? Notice we went 360 all the way plus another 40.
Hello, I'm President Barack Obama. In any approaching election season, it is of the utmost importance to vote. Your vote directly shapes the future of our nation. Simply Google how to register to vote for details in your area. I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.